Let's crochet this easy heart in two sizes, big or small, perfect for gifts or keychains. All materials and abbreviations are listed in the description below. Let's get started. We'll start with the magic ring. I'll show you this part slowly. Round 1. Crochet 6 single crochets into the ring. Now tighten the magic ring. Round 2. Make increase in every stitch. 6 increases total. At the end of the round you should have 12 stitches. Round 3. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch. You should have 12 stitches. Now fasten off and cut the yarn. Leave a tail, we'll use it later to close the gaps. Make a second piece the same way, but this time don't cut the yarn. Now we are going to join both pieces. Insert your hook into the last stitch of the first piece. Pull up a loop and make the first single crochet. Place a stitch marker. This is the beginning of the round 4. Crochet 12 single crochets around the first piece. Then 12 single crochets around the second piece. At the end of the round you should have 24 stitches. At this point, you may notice small gaps where the two pieces join. Using the yarn tail and the needle, just stitch them closed to make the heart look neat and smooth. Round 5. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch. You should have 24 stitches. Round 6. Work 1 single crochet in the first 2 stitches. Then make a decrease. And in the next 2 stitches, make a single crochet. Repeat 4 times. You should have 20 stitches. Round 7. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch. You should still have 20 stitches. Round 8. Work 1 single crochet in the first 3 stitches. Then make a decrease. Repeat 4 times. You should have 16 stitches. Round 9. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch. You should still have 16 stitches. Round 10. Work 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Then make a decrease and in the next stitch make a single crochet. Repeat this sequence 4 times. At the end of the round, you should have 12 stitches. Now it's a good time to start stuffing the heart. Round 11. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch. You should have 12 stitches. Round 12. Make 1 single crochet in the first stitch. And then make a decrease. Repeat 4 times. At the end of the round, you should have 8 stitches. Now make a slip stitch. Fasten off and cut the yarn. Finish stuffing the heart. Use the yarn tail and the needle to close the opening. and your crochet heart is finished. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy crochet projects. Thank you for crocheting with me today.